अचानक, all of a sudden, all of a sudden। अचानक बारिश शुरू हो गई। All of a sudden it started raining। All of a sudden it started raining। उसी समय, at the same time, at the same time। वह पढ़ती भी है और काम भी करती है। She studies and works at the same time। She studies and works at the same time। सबसे पहले, first of all, first of all। सबसे पहले ध्यान से सुनो। First of all, listen carefully। First of all, listen carefully। समय के साथ, as time goes by, as time goes by। समय के साथ चीज़ें बदलती है। As time goes by, things change। As time goes by, things change। दूसरे शब्दों में, in other words, in other words। वह आलसी है, दूसरे शब्दों में कहूँ तो कोशिश नहीं करता। He is lazy, in other words, he does not try। He is lazy, in other words, he does not try। कुल मिलाकर, all in all, all in all। कुल मिलाकर दिन अच्छा था। All in all, the day was good। All in all, the day was good। सरल शब्दों में, to put it simply, to put it simply। सरल शब्दों में कहूँ तो उसने झूठ बोला। To put it simply, he lied। To put it simply, he lied। लंबे समय में, in the long run, in the long run। लंबे समय में मेहनत का फल मिलता है। In the long run, hard work pays off। In the long run, hard work pays off। कहने की जरूरत नहीं, needless to say, needless to say। कहने की जरूरत नहीं, वह खुश थी। Needless to say, she was happy। Needless to say, she was happy। सबसे पहले, in the first place, in the first place। सबसे पहले तुम्हें कोशिश करनी चाहिए। In the first place, you should try। In the first place, you should try। संक्षेप में, in brief, in brief। संक्षेप में दिन अच्छा था। In brief, it was a good day। In brief, it was a good day। सबसे बढ़कर, above all, above all। सबसे बढ़कर हार मत मानो। Above all, never give up। Above all, never give up। सामान्य तौर पर, in general, in general। सामान्य तौर पर लोगों को संगीत पसंद है। In general, people like music। In general, people like music। अंत में, in conclusion, in conclusion. अंत में हमें फिर कोशिश करनी चाहिए. In conclusion, we should try again. In conclusion, we should try again. दूसरे मामलों में in other cases, in other cases. दूसरे मामलों में नियम बदल जाता है. In other cases, the rule changes. In other cases, the rule changes. इस तरह, in this way, in this way. इस तरह तुम जल्दी सीखोगे. In this way, you can learn faster. In this way, you can learn faster. शुरुआत में, to begin with, to begin with. शुरुआत में चलो अपना परिचय दें. To begin with, let's introduce ourselves. To begin with, let's introduce ourselves. उसी कारण से, for that reason, for that reason. मैं उसी कारण से जल्दी चला गया. I left early for that reason. I left early for that reason. जैसा पहले कहा गया, as mentioned earlier, as mentioned earlier. जैसा पहले कहा गया, हम कल मिलेंगे. As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow. As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow. सच कहूँ तो या वास्तव में. As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. सच कहूँ तो मैंने पहले ही अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है. As a matter of fact, I have already finished my homework. As a matter of fact, I have already finished my homework. ईमानदारी से कहूँ तो, to be honest, to be honest. ईमानदारी से कहूँ तो मुझे वो फिल्म ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई. To be honest, I did not really enjoy the movie. To be honest, I did not really enjoy the movie. दूसरे शब्दों में, in other words, in other words. दूसरे शब्दों में, हमें सफलता के लिए और मेहनत करनी होगी. In other words, we need to work harder to succeed. In other words, we need to work harder to succeed. दूसरी तरफ, on other hand, on other hand. मुझे सर्दी पसंद है लेकिन ठंडी हवा नहीं. I like winter. On the other hand, I don't like the cold wind. I like winter. On other hand, I don't like the cold wind. वैसे, by the way, by the way. वैसे क्या तुमने मेरा फ़ोन देखा है? By the way, have you seen my phone? By the way, have you seen my phone? इसके अलावा, in addition. In addition. पढ़ाई के अलावा वह पार्ट टाइम काम भी करता है. In addition to studying, he also works part-time. In addition to studying, he also works part-time. और भी या साथ ही. Moreover. Moreover. होटल सस्ता है, साथ ही बहुत साफ सुथरा भी है. The hotel is cheap, moreover it's very clean. The hotel is cheap, moreover it's very clean. उसके अलावा. Besides that. Besides that. मैं बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता और वैसे भी बारिश हो रही है. I don't want to go out. Besides that, it's raining. I don't want to go out. Besides that, it's raining. इसके विपरीत. In contrast. In contrast. अपने भाई के विपरीत वह बहुत शांत है. In contrast to his brother, he is very quiet. In contrast to his brother, he is very quiet. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. As far as I know. As far as I know. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वह कल आ रही है. As far as I know, she is coming tomorrow. As far as I know, she is coming tomorrow.